Hello everyone, my name is Manmeet Kaur from the Gurukul School Rania. So student, this is the second video of sources of documents and voucher. In earlier video we had discussed about what is source of documents, and in this video we will going to discuss about vouchers. So let's start. So the term voucher means that document which we prepared for business transaction, for sale purchase in the books of accounts, that is known as voucher. First we prepare a source of document, means bills, cash memo, receipt, okay, check, paying slip, whatever. But after that we gonna prepare voucher. A separate voucher is prepared for each transaction, is specifies the account to be debited and credited. Yes, separate voucher for each transaction, whether sale or purchase, which specify that in which account it gonna be debited and credited, which account is gonna be debited and credited. Who specify, who defines this? That's known as voucher. Transaction, source document, voucher, then we pass the entries in journal, then subsidiary books. These are the practical portion. So I discuss these two in detail when we're going to start our practical portion. Types of voucher: cash voucher and non-cash voucher. Non-cash voucher is another name is transfer voucher. Cash voucher refers to voucher prepared at the time of receipt or payment of cash, okay, in which we have paid or received cash. So then we perform prepared cash voucher. It is of two types: debit voucher means cash paid, credit voucher when cash received. Yes, when we receive cash we prepared credit voucher. When we paid cash, then we prepared debit voucher. Examples were written below it. Expenses paid means kharche paid. Purchase of goods, when we purchase goods for sale and purchase. Fixed asset means example machinery, with the help of which we purchase fixed asset means example machinery, which we purchase not for resell but for making goods, okay. Payment to creditor. Creditor means to whom we paid money. Deposit, some money we deposited in the bank. Drawings means any personal, any business thing we taken out from business. Example furniture of the business. For I taken out business furniture from for my home, or cash from business for my personal use, okay. Now cash voucher, sale of goods. These goes opposites. Their purchase of goods, sales of goods, okay. Sale of investment example, I purchased land, a plot, now I am going to sell it. That amount I receive cash, that is for that I prepared credit voucher. Receipt from debtor, if payment giving to creditor means something I receive from the debtor. Debtor means from whom I have to take my money back. Deposit into bank, withdrawal means taking out money from the bank. This is cash voucher. These are the example for which we prepared cash voucher. Next, non-cash voucher. Yes, that is also known as transfer voucher. Refers to voucher prepared for transaction not involving cash. Yes, these are the transaction for which we haven't received cash. Example, credit sale, udhar pe sale. Credit purchase, udhar pe kharida. Rectifying the mistake, if some mistakes in my accounts to could make it now correct. Goods return, if I return goods, that means return outward because it is going out of my business. If some customer return to goods to me, that is inward, means goods coming back to my business. For that we purchase non-cash voucher. Last one, third, means compound voucher. Voucher which record transaction that contain multiple debits, one credit, or multiple credits and one debit is called compound voucher. Yes, debit voucher, credit card. Compound means combine, okay. If so many items were gone debit and one is credit. Example, I purchase building, land, furniture, I record in at debit side, and Two side means credit side, I write 2 cash means I due to purchase of these things I have to pay cash. Okay, now 3 items come in debit side and one entry come on credit side. Okay, that is known as debit voucher. Okay, that is for known as compound voucher. Okay, example, purchase land, building, 2 cash, this is the entry. Okay, two items come on debit side and one on credit side. Okay, that is known as compound voucher. Hope you like this video, guys. If any query, please student, please ask me. Thanks everyone.